I see a business opportunity.
I think
here.
so too, or life. You can pack into a car. I'm just saying. All right.
Or Boggle. We can all get in and jump
my
around
gosh.
like the letters. Whatever.
We need to get out of this business and start
become the Parker brothers. Right?
Something like that.
What do we got in your world, my friend?
So I'll tell you what, quiet week this week, and that's good for all the holiday travel plans. If you have some last-minute shopping to do, weather is not going to be much of an impact this week. Temperatures, I think you'll enjoy them as well. But it's really on into the weekend, heading right into Christmas. For perhaps even your Christmas Eve plans, we'll see some changes. I'm going to dive into that in a second. First, we'll get you out the door safely tomorrow morning. We've got a couple showers out there this evening, actually early morning hours, not dealing with a whole lot. We had a little bit more coverage earlier down from Summit County down to the south towards Stark County. But overall, that's all gone away. I am keeping my eye on visibilities. We did have some dense fog as we were thinking over the course of the last 24 hours. And we still have quite a bit of moisture between here and the cloud levels right now. So we're seeing some lower visibilities, just kind of that haze out there. We often see that as we bring warm air across our snowpack. So we may have some lower visibilities tomorrow morning, but widespread fog not looking like a huge deal across Northeast Ohio. Temperatures, this is nice. Starting the day in the 30s compared to some of the teens and single digits we had earlier this week. I don't think we're going to have too many breaks in the clouds. I think we'll have a pretty cloudy day tomorrow. But overall, not a lot of rain expected. So let's take you hour by hour now. Out the door tomorrow morning, we're talking some thick clouds around, pretty mild start, may have some drizzle or some areas of fog. Should burn off pretty quickly, but we're still talking some showers here and there. Nothing well organized, just a little area of energy that'll move throughout the morning and early afternoon hours. We're still stuck in the clouds Monday evening, so not a whole lot of sun tomorrow across the area. But look, things change. As we go into Tuesday, we're just going to kind of kick out this system. And look at that, some breaks in the cloud cover Tuesday, and it's going to be pretty mild as well. I think we hit 50 degrees across many areas. So Tuesday, one of the picks of the week. Let's talk beyond that, though. Here's your holiday travel week. Right now, for the beginning of the week, we've got a west to east jet stream that keeps our systems weak, and it keeps all that cold air off to the north. So a look at the week ahead. Tuesday, a little system down to the south, not very strong, doesn't impact us. And later on in the week, we see some development out in the plains. No biggie this week, right? But as we go into next weekend, that jet is going to go way up into Canada. That brings it way down into the U.S. again. We're familiar with this pattern, so that allows that Arctic air to spill on in. And the difference with this one versus the last system, last one came right over Ohio in the northeast. This one's going to kind of dig out west for a little bit, but it's this little line here where we have that warm air mixing with some of that cooler air that we tend to spin up some storm systems. So another look at kind of your temperature trend at the mid-levels of the atmosphere. You can see how we stay in the warm air, but what happens when we get that little trough, we start to bring some cold air in here on Saturday. You're looking at Christmas Eve, perhaps some cold air to our north and west, but it really, models are keeping us a little bit warmer day by day. So this is one of the possible solutions. We may have some kind of storm system forming here around Christmas Day, but still a lot of things need to be ironed out, and models continue to warm us up. So we may not be talking white Christmas around here if that snow melts this week. We'll keep you posted on that. Look at that, 52 Tuesday, back down on Wednesday, a little brief shot of cool air, then way up on Friday out ahead of the next system. Your transition day will be Saturday. I think we'll see warm temperatures to start, cold to finish, and any rain changing over to some snowflakes. Chris.
Okay, Matt, thanks a lot. Earlier in the show, we